Okay, my video is seem to be setting up a little bit different, but I'm a little angry inside right now. But I'm going to have to let go of that and show you what I have found from Always. I can't remember what the complete thing is, Always Natural. So this is what the discussion sort of might have been. This is your smartphone. When I go to my smartphone, okay, and I'm going to try and put a number up at the top. Okay, I'm going to put a new number at the top. You see when I put this number in up here, these letters in here, these numbers pop out. Okay, like if I say the word, let's say God. If I say the word God, I get 463. Okay, those are the numbers. So these are the details of the numbers. QRPS is all in group number 7. There's 4 of them. 28, the cycle to the gateway, is the moon. 8, 9, 7, 1 or 7, and 10. 1, 4, 7, and 10 is all inside S. 1, 4, 7, and 10, or 107 is 5 times 2 plus 5 plus 2, and that is the Earth heart inside the S. WYZX equals to 9. 9 by 7 equals to 63, and 16 equals to 79 again, the gateway of the I birth. Remember, 9 and 6 are also related to B because of their shape. 7 gets 1 and 7 itself because it becomes 10. 1 and 0 becomes 7 and 1, the gateway or the Q letter. 0 will now equal 6, becomes 16, will become P, and then it will become 77 is inside the gateway. This section over here gets you 9. There's 4 numbers equals 36 creation. Now we get number 8 is VU and T equals to number 8. VUT. This is the 2, which gets 8. This is the U, which is the 21st, gets 3. And this is the 4. 4, 3, and 2. Over here, the total is 63. 24 of them. This is the day of man. VUT. Tav. Tav in Hebrew, remember that. Now inside HGI is 7, 8, and 9 equals to 24. This is your purple sky. High gates. Your purple sky, the purple ball and pool, 4 and 3. 2 and 4. This is a representation of 5 and 9. So now we have 28 and 36 equals to 64. 74, 82, 92, 97. 106, 112, 122. 123, 124, 148, 1, 4, and 8. The spirit is inside Pluto. There is 8 and 4 is 2. 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 8 numbers. We do not include number 1 inside of this. So when you add up all these numbers, you end up with 35. 199696663. 19696963369 in this formula over here. Now when we take this and look, 7937, this is 7 and 7. In between the gates is the skies of Saturn, the birth and creation. We have the high sky, 8 and 9, 72, and 56, the red sun. 8 and 7 is regarded to 1 and 2 as it is to 6 and 5. 56 is the howling of the wolf. The wolf cries out to the mountains. We have to discuss this. It's in other of my videos. I can't always remember. When you reverse PO and I on the top, 7, 6, and 4, it says the high god of Igo for your GYP, whatever that might mean. I'm just, inside 27 says the red sun of creation. And everybody thinks and knows and sees that inside gematria and other numerological counts that a God is inside 7337 is when you connect 1 with 36. 34 DC and inside the sun. 555 is part of the Mayan cycle, 1.25. 5 times 5 times 5 is 1.25. 68 is the 9 lives of the cat communication. 38 is creation of the heavens of the church because they put 1 inside 2. There is no 1 because the 1 is a divider of everything. And again, the creation of the first one, 4 times 2, 4 plus 2 equals to 6 and 8. 99, Jupiter in the birth of the cycle of the high heaven. 28, 82, 2020. 626, 2020. 6 times 2, 6 plus 2 equals to 8 and 12 equals to 20. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 and 8 is 10 equals to 26. So they're all reflective of each other. Why is this 4 and this is 3? Because this value is 4, but there's 3 of them inside of this one. There was one, I heard in a movie yesterday that 1001 is because 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1001. 1030 is creation of 10 and 30 equals 108 becomes 168 becomes 6168. Inside of Mars is creation of the week of minds. So you have these cycles over here. Now I was connecting them all up. 7 and 2 is 9, 18, 9, 16, and 3 is 19, 3, 6, 8. And I'm just trying to work out some combinations going up and down because this is the setup on our keyboard of these numbers taken off of the smartphone. Although on the smartphone, they're overlapped straight up above each other, I'm putting this over to my keyboard. Remember, sometimes it'll tell you, okay, take number 6, but take number 6 from over there. Take number 6 from over there. So it's all codes. It's just like if I said the word, I'm just trying to look if I have it in here right now. No, I don't have it in here right now. I don't. I did want to say one thing, that race is Ra, C, and E, creation of electric heaven. Jew, have you ever seen a Jew? Have you ever seen L? L is she. She's a Jew. 724, 7 hours, 24 minutes. 444, 7 days, 24 hours. 57.3, this is the moon number and the cycle, and this creates the gateway. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 is 8 and 7. 8 goes to 10, and 7 goes to 5. 5 cents, 10 cents. 58, 34, 52. 8 and 4 is 12, 14, 14. 5 and 3 is 8, and 5 is 13, and 14 is, that's your 27. 3 and 1 is 4, 1 and 4 is 5 equals fox. 1 and 4 is 5, 1 and 6 is 7, moon, fox, moon. What is this? 0 equals 64, 2 equals 58, and 6 and 1 equals 34. 216, 210, 216. Those are the difference between these two. 2100 0 equals 6. It'll say the moon and the fox inside the moon, the passage. 9 by 48, which is the birth inside Pluto, the half-life. 432 vibration inside 1 and 5. 9 times 74. Or what you can have is 24 times 74 is 1776. 9 times 16 is 144 times 3 equals to 500 equals to 432. 300, 420, 432. This is the 1 half-life of the spirit. 441 DNA, 234 inside the half-life. This is the gateway to the spirit. 84 times 4, the same 84, equals to the 12 moons that we run under. They duplicate it by going up to this number over here, 9. They get it duplicated in the 12 moons. 3 times 12 are part of 56, and 56, which is the numerological value for 3, equals to 336. And 7 times 48 in the gateway inside inside of Pluto, which is Mars and Neptune together, the water world. And again, 33, creation of the Christ, creation and command of man. 93, command of the Saturn skies. That's what these numbers say. There's more things. I'm going to show you one more piece, then I'm going to try and get on to my next video. And I haven't done this yet, so if anybody would like to try it, they're called the flatback world. Right? The outback, the flatback, and the outback and the flatback have to do with all flat letters and all round letters. To the flat letters, we are going to connect other words, other letters, but you cannot connect a letter to the O letter because the O has to be split in order to be connected. The R is a flatback, the M is a flatback, therefore you can connect A and R. A, C in the small letters, right? In the small letters, the B, the R, the V, the D, the H, the W, and the K are all flat backs. The rest are all round backs, which means you cannot connect anything to these letters. These are in small letters. In capital letters, there's different letters. You take all the capital letters and see what you can connect to a flat back. Here you cannot connect anymore to this letter over here. So the end would be rounded letters. Just like the wind blowing off of something flat will turn it round. So here's A and D. Here's MDD. I can put MDR. I can put AMR. The Z is what you can put above and below, and you can put something above the R letter. You can't put anything above the A letter unless you create your T letter. So these are just things to talk about if you want to make these designs, and eventually someday in my artwork I will be doing this, and I will probably be creating some kind of numerological alphabetical animal. But that's the way it is. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. There's one thing I'm really excited about. There is a pause on my video. I'm going to pause it. I had it on pause. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.